Hello everyone, I'm Patty from Alpha Intelligent Packing Machinery Company. This is the DZ600 vacuum packing machine. That's one model of our vacuum machines. We also have more vacuum machines. Today, I want to introduce the details to you. The machine uses a microcomputer control panel, simple to understand, easy to operate, high degree of intelligence. All is Chinese, but don't worry, we also have English version. Next, look at the vacuum chamber. The sealing length can reach 600 millimeters. The whole vacuum chamber is made of thickened 304 stainless steel. Has a long service life, suitable for different sizes and types of products. Finally, let's look at vacuum pumps. The vacuum pump is the most important part of the vacuum machine. We use strong power industrial vacuum pump. The power is large, easy to vacuum large items. Small machines cannot meet the needs of production. Therefore, we focus on the production of vacuum sealers that can save manpower and increase efficiency. We have more than 20 years of manufacturing experience. High quality is our pursuit.